Hey guys, it's Maggie, Just Enough Eyes. Today I wanted to do a tutorial. I wanted to play with some new shades from the MAC Paint Pot line. You guys have been really enjoying my videos talking about them. A lot of us have been waiting for new shades to come out, and I wanted to play with MAC eyeshadows that could go nicely with these to help inspire you to create your own looks. Today I use the Contemplative State and Belle Epic, which are just such beautiful shades. Very nice warm tones that would look good on everyone. I highly recommend, and using these today once again, I was really happy with the pigmentation, the coverage, the blendability of these cream shadows that also make your shadows last longer throughout the day. So let's get into the tutorial. So I've already started by applying the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. So I've applied that all the way around my eye under my foundation, concealer, and powder. So now I'm going into the Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Contemplative State. This is a really nice, warm, ochre type color. It's really, really pretty. I think this would suit so many different skin tones, eye color. Yeah, it's a beautiful shade. So I'm taking that on the MAC 239 brush, and I'm going to start further out where I want it to be the most pigmented using patting motions. And then once I have less on my brush, I'm going to work my way in. I'm going all the way around my inner corner, and then taking that also underneath the eye. And then you can kind of blend out the edges once again. When you have less product on the brush, you could definitely also use your fingers to apply these. I just find a brush gives you a little bit more precision. Now I'm taking Belle Epic, which is this really beautiful brick orange. Once again, just beautiful on so many different skin tones. So I'm going to take that on the same brush where I want it to be the most pigmented on the outer corner, and starting off with some patting motions, which allows you to get the most pigmentation. And I'm keeping that pretty close with this brush, and then I'll switch to a more blending brush to work it out. So I'm also taking that underneath, blending that in with Contemplative State. And these are amazing. They are waterproof. You could just use them on their own, but I always like building up my layers and getting maximum opacity. So after that, I'm going to switch to the 217 brush, which is more of a blending brush, and starting close to my eye. And I'm going to work that up and out, especially because my eyes are a little bit hooded. I like to bring my eyeshadows up, and that just gives you a more, like an eye lift. It makes you look a little bit more positive, a bit more happy, so that when I relax my eye, I still have that lifted shape. So now moving on to MAC eyeshadows, I'm going to try Motif, which is a newer eyeshadow. It's got a really interesting duochrome, like yellow to pink. So I'm going to take that on the inner corner. I have used this as a highlighter on my face once before, and I won't do it again because in certain lights it does have quite a yellow shift, but it's giving us a nice peachy pink highlight. Next I'm going to take Coral. So this is, once again, a newer shade. I'm taking that on the same brush, so the 239 brush. I just like how small this brush is, and you can really pack on your color. So I'm taking that on the inner part of my lid. Okay, so now Red Brick. I thought this would be absolutely beautiful with the new paint pot, Belle Epic. So that's the color comparison. So I love this color. I've done a lot of looks with Red Brick. It's just so pigmented. It applies very nicely. Same brush once again. And now I'm taking this on the outer part. So you can just see how rich and pigmented that is. It's kind of a red-orange, but definitely has some brick characteristics, so it is softer. I think this looks great on so many different skin tones. It's just very beautiful, very easy to blend. And I'm also taking that underneath the eye. Okay, so finally we're going to switch brushes to the 217 again to get more of a blend. So I'm going to work into my crease. So I think I'm actually only going to use 3 eyeshadows for this look. I also pulled out Uninterrupted, which would be more brown, but I'm really just feeling these orangey tones. But just to let you know, if you are using Contemplative State, that would go really well. I'll hold them up together to show you. So that would be a really nice combination together. But you guys know me, I love color. It's just what I gravitate towards. But those would be nice if you are looking for more of a brown look. And I did do that in my last video where I had the brown look on. I did use that eyeshadow. So really just working that up and out, following that shape that we created with the paint pot. And the least eyeshadow you have on your brush, then you can really start working your way out, getting a nice smooth blend. So look at the difference that that one eyeshadow made. Red Brick is beautiful, highly recommended. So today I'm going to use the Annabelle Skinny Gel Eyeliner in Black Onyx. I've been trying this out and I really like it. So I'm applying that to my waterline. And I decided I want to put Babe in Charms on top of the lid, which is one I used in another video. I'm just going to take the Sigma E70 brush and apply just a light amount to add some shimmer. It's so pretty. I really love it. It's like a see-through paint pot with pink reflective sparkles. So I did quite an uplifted wing as well, just like my eyeshadow, which really lifts the features on the face. For my mascara today, I'm taking the MAC in Extreme Dimension mascara on my upper and lower lashes. To finish off the look, I'm using the 89 Megastar lashes from MAC and the Callas eyelash adhesive that is latex free. So I'm just building up the red brick underneath my eye. I just want it to be a little bit more, I guess, bright, a little bit deeper under there, especially with the black liner. So I'm just going right up close to my waterline just to blend the edges. And now that I have my black wing, I can really like build up underneath it and make that brighter. And then you can go back to your blending brush and work on the edges a little bit more. So to finish off the look, I used the MAC Glow Play blush in Cheer Up. I've been loving this. It's just bright, it's cheery, it is nice and peachy, so it really just goes well with warm tones like this eye look. And on my lips, I just threw on the MAC Powerglass Plumping Lip Gloss in Marvel at This, which is a slightly coral lip gloss. I really have been loving this shade. So that's how I created this look today. I hope you enjoyed seeing me play around with 2 of the new paint pot shades and also some eyeshadow colors from MAC. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in my next video.